What's up guys, jtmoffroad here. Today I want to show you my Steelie mount. So, driving around with the Jeep and my phone, it's kind of hard to find a good spot for it, especially now that I have the Cam console in. And before the original one, never really had good luck with keeping everything in, and it was just always such a hassle. So, you know, I was looking around online, couldn't really find much. You know, searching around for like something maybe Jeep specific. There's stuff for TJs and obviously tons of stuff for JKs and stuff, but nothing really specific for YJs because it's such a weird dash. My buddy over at YouTube channel Jeep Vlogs and Dogs, I'll have a link for him. He told me the one day about these Steelie mounts that he saw. So I checked them out and they're pretty cool. The design's super simple. It's pretty much a ball bearing and on your phone is a magnet. Now, when I first heard that, I was like, magnet on my phone, that sounds terrible. But they say on the box that it's fine. They say that the magnet does no harm to the phone. Magnetic attachment is safe for devices. It's on the box, it has to be true. So I went for it. If you have like just a hard shell case, it goes on pretty easy, but I have the OtterBox and it has that soft cover on the outside. You're actually supposed to cut a hole through that. I did a terrible job cutting mine out. I tried drilling it, but the material was too soft and wouldn't go. So I ended up using a razor and cutting that all out. The magnet's on the phone. It's cool because, like, you know, you could be like, I put my phone on my Jeep. I put my phone on my fridge. I put my phone on my winch lead roller. You know, whatever. But if you're like me, and you keep your phone with you while you're in the garage and you're setting your phone down on stuff, there's metal dust all over my garage. And even in places I don't think that there's metal dust, it picks it all up. So be careful. I'm always finding myself strategically thinking before I put my phone down somewhere. So that's one downfall, but it's not that bad. It's not bad. So enough of me talking, let's actually look and see how this works. So inside the Jeep, ball bearing attached to the dash. Now it says that in the instructions when you're putting it on, it's not meant for textured or softer surfaces. I don't know what the definition of this dash is, but it's kind of textured. It's kind of hard. It's kind of soft. I played it safe. I cleaned the dash off, and then I ran a ratchet strap from down there up over the dash, across the top of that, and over to the other side, obviously with the door open. I left it strapped like that, I think, for a whole day, just to be super sure that it's not going to move. And it's pretty good. You know, I'm moving it all around and it hasn't moved. And there's really not going to be all that much pressure on it with just the phone moving around. So that's how my phone sits. It's a little awkward just because of the placement. Trying to get it somewhere flat, and I didn't really want to put it on an edge. I didn't really want to put it like here. So that's where I put it. You would think that driving down the road that it's just a magnet and a metal ball, that it's going to be flopping all over the place. It really doesn't. It stays in one place. The only thing that makes it actually move for my case, I have an aux cord that plugs in here, and just tension from that side will slowly pull it over like that much. Not a big deal. I use my phone for music. You know, it's a lot better to see your phone when you have your GPS or something on right there rather than down there on my console, have to look down from the road. That's not safe. Much more safe. So all in all, I'd say that Steelie mount's great. I like it. I actually want to get one. I want to get a mount for my truck too. I just have to order another ball and set it in there. Because I kind of have the same situation. I don't have anything really fixed. I don't want to use something that goes and mounts to the air vents because I don't want to be blocking air, and I don't want to have something that mounts to the windshield because that might be too far depending where I'm at. This is pretty easy. If I mount one of those balls in my truck, then, you know, I jump in my Jeep, put it up on my Jeep. jump up in my truck, put up in my truck. It's pretty easy, pretty fast, pretty interchangeable. So I like it. So yeah, I mean, I don't really do product reviews per se. I'm not getting endorsed by anybody. I just thought it'd be a good idea to maybe put that out there in case you're a YJ owner and you don't know where to put your phone. That's one option. I think I paid 30 bucks for it. Not bad at all, not a bad price. Yeah, not an exciting video, but hopefully informative, and you know, maybe that'll be what you use for yours. So give me some feedback. Go ahead and comment. Say if you have one, how yours works. I haven't used mine wheeling yet, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I would imagine it would stay pretty steady. But yeah, let me know if you have one, how long yours has lasted, if you had any troubles. I've had mine for maybe, I don't know, I think I got it in like October or something, and I don't really drive this all that much, but you know, driving here and there, it's been fine. So let me know what you think. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Give it a dislike if you didn't, tell me why, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments. Click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.